How to enable Gemini AI in Chrome. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to enable Gemini AI in Chrome. So to use the AI feature in Google Chrome, you need to access the AI innovation section in the browser settings, or you need to enable this option in the app as well. So if you're using the AI app or the app version of it, you want to open up the Gemini AI first of all. Ensure or go to the three dot icon and click on the more or help button about your Google Chrome, and Chrome will automatically check for any apply or update. So let's do it with the Chrome. So open up Chrome on your device. After you open up Chrome, you need to click on the profile initials over here. Go to the home page, or just go ahead and click on the three dot icon and then click on settings, after which you want to go ahead and click on help from the list. So or go to about Chrome. As you go to about Google Chrome, will automatically check for apply and any update prompting or relaunching as well. So this way you could go ahead and after updating or after opening, you could go ahead and check it out, and this way you could go ahead and enable the option as well. So that's how you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. And in another way, if you are not able to do it in this way, Gemini typically managed through the Google app. So you can often switch from the Google Assistant to Gemini by opening the Google app, going to settings and then Gemini. So for that, you want to open up Google app, click on the initials once again, and then go to settings, after which you want to go ahead and click on Gemini, and here you want to go ahead and make it a default digital assistant, and that way you'll be able to enable Gemini AI in Chrome. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.